Today we are talking about how to polish out Hazy plastic headlights. So here is a before picture of my headlights. My car is 10 years old and you can see that the plastic has been UV damaged. A product I've used on them in the past is made by Turtle Wax called Headlight Lens Restorer. It's a kit with some fine sanding pads, a spray lubricant, a lens clarifying compound, and a sealing wipe. The problem with this kit is once you use up the lens sealing wipes, they're used up. And it's a multi-step process. I've actually found a quicker, simpler process for polishing my plastic headlights.
Woo!
So I found this product by Meguiar's called Scratch Eraser Kit. It's actually for polishing out minor scratches in your paint. However, I found this works excellent for quickly and easily polishing out your headlight lenses. And you don't have to worry about it getting on your paint because the product is designed for your paint. It comes with this soft foam applicator that you simply attach to your cordless drill, like so. And then what you'll do is you'll apply a little bit of this compound to the applicator. Just make sure you shake it up really well first. And you don't need a whole lot. A little bit goes a long way. You also need a clean, dry, soft cloth or rag like this, or microfiber towel to wipe the lens after you're done. And every time you use this, you want to make sure you rinse out that foam applicator with just some clean water. Rinse it out in the sink. And so we'll apply the polishing compound to the applicator, just a small amount. That's about all you need. And what I like to do is just apply the polishing compound first and then turn the drill on. I start at a lower speed and then I'll bring it up to about a medium speed and just gently and lightly go back and forth over the lens. You don't need to push too hard. You can spend a little extra time on areas that are really bad. Just do the entire lens. Something to keep in mind, once these plastic headlight lenses have gotten UV damaged and start to get hazy or foggy, you will have to polish them out every 4 to 6 months, I would say. This is not a one-time deal and then it's good for years. That's not realistic. So just FYI. So then I'll take my soft clean cloth and just give it a quick buff. And you can see it took off all of that haziness. Looks like new.
Wow.
I noticed I missed a little bit along the bottom of the headlight there. It looks a little bit hazy still. So I'll just real quickly apply a tiny bit more to the applicator and then just do that bottom right quick. And I'll turn my drill on, just gently and lightly go back and forth, side to side, and polish off all that haziness. And then same thing, we'll take that soft cloth and give it a quick light buff. And we're done. You can see quick and easy. And here's what the finished product looks like up close. You can see nice and clear. I'd say it's about 99% back to normal. Something to think about. You can buy this product at Walmart. It's a 3M product, and it will coat your clear plastic headlights with a clear coat. It's basically like a little pad that you rub across your headlight lenses, and it helps protect them from UV light. This is also a great product to use on a brand new car, or if you install brand new headlights on your older car. This will help protect them for a longer period of time from UV damage.
Woo!
Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for Walmart or 3M or Meguiar's or Turtle Wax. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.